Whoa, you sound terrible.
Thanks. It's just a little bit of hay fever.
Hay fever? Is it contagious?
No, silly.
No, I knew that. I was just checking. Ew, there's a snot bubble.
Where?
On your face.
My face?
It's getting bigger.
What, my face?
No, the bubble.
What do I do?
I don't know, wipe it away, something, anything!
Uh-oh.
What? Oh no. Alex, please. Phew, that was a close one. I found them.
Much better. Steve? Oh my gosh, Steve, I'm so sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You really need to get those sneezes under control. Oh no.